following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for an ice jam break-in, east central Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, west central Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., Emergency Management and River Gauge reported an ice jam on the Kankakee River downstream of Wilmington near Interstate 55 has broken up, causing flash flooding downstream. Hazard: flash flooding from an ice jam. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flooding of areas near and downstream of the ice jam. The nearest downstream area is Felon Acres. Flooding is occurring along the Kankakee River. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Well, that's definitely a new one.
LM